This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 105 of Building Fast and Furious's Dodge Charger RT. I was mistaken last time. This is not the putting everything together video. This is the putting little bits together. Next time is the putting everything together video. But looking at the digital revolution, sports cars, jumping screens, skyscrapers, vehicles literally raining down from the Manhattan sky. Yeah, CGI. You use a lot of CGI in the films. A lot of practical stuff and real driving, but yeah, a lot of CGI as well. So this is what they're doing in the world today. There we go. The Dodge Utility. It's like a pickup truck without being a truck. That's a strange looking car. Yeah, it's all right, but yeah, I've never liked the idea of a pickup truck type thing. In that anything I want to be inside rather than leaving outside, because somebody will just nick it. Maybe that's just the way my brain works, but yeah. So we're putting in the spare wheel carrier. There is no spare wheel, as far as I'm aware. There may be a spare wheel later in the build, but I don't think so. This is going basically on the underside. So we've got to put that bracket together, put that onto the floor panel that we've got. And that is that. That's a very quick build for this one. Next time, I'm pretty sure we're putting that into the thing and then putting the thing and the thing together to be a big thing, and then it's huge. More power with blueprinting. In computers and stuff, using it to make sure things work as they should. Mass production, cost efficient. Yeah, works fine. All good stuff. Wrenches. Good. Right, let's get this part done. So, not much today. 3 components, one quite big, and some screws, which we're going to use 2 of. Let's get those out now, and then put the packet with the other packets out of the way for the time being. So, this is the spare wheel carrier. The rod fits through, not all the way through, that it does fit all the way through, but if you twist it, it doesn't. It fits in like so. And then this fits onto, where have we got this? This way round, onto the, it fits onto that bit there, right. So that bit at the bottom, that bit at the top, and that will sit on there like so, and that will hold it all in place. It's fairly easy. And 2 screws will hold that in place from the other side. Turn that over, we've just got these 2 screw holes there to fill, and we are filling them with these 2 screws. As ever, let's get one in. They've got to be in the right place because they're pushed into little divots as well, but it's always good practice to do them in one at a time. That one and that one. Holding the bit from the other side, obviously, to make sure it's thrown in the right place and not escaping anywhere. So that's that, and that's that. There we go. So that will now hinge, for whatever reason, for the spare wheel to go onto it. I don't know. But that's all we're doing with that this time around. Next time, we will be doing the big build. So buckle up, get ready for it, and I shall see you very shortly for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye.